Buying bread at the bakery.
Good morning. It's beautiful outside today, isn't it?
Good morning. Oh, yes, it's a wonderful spring day.
I'd like a well-baked bread, please.
Of course. Look at this one. It's very crispy.
Perfect. It smells really good. The bread is still warm.
Yes, it just came out of the oven. Would you like anything else?
Your croissants look really tempting. Are they made with butter?
Yes, absolutely. They are all butter and homemade this morning.
Then I'll take 2 croissants as well, please.
Great. A nice little treat for breakfast.
Yes, I love having pastries on the weekend.
You're so right. It's good to treat yourself.
True. And what do you recommend for dessert?
Our apple tart is the house specialty.
I really love apple tart. Is it big?
We have individual tarts or ones for 4 people.
An individual one will be perfect, just for me.
Excellent choice. Will that be all for today, sir?
Yes, that's everything. How much is the total, please?
Let's see. The baguette, the 2 croissants, and the tart.
I hope I didn't go over my budget for the week.
Don't worry. It comes to a total of €6.50.
Oh, that's very reasonable. Can I pay by card?
Of course. You can tap your card on the terminal.
There you go. All done. Thank you so much for your kindness.
Thank you. Have a great day and enjoy your food.
At the pharmacy.
Hello, sir. Can I help you? Are you looking for something?
Hello. Yes, I've had a terrible headache since this morning.
Oh, that's no fun. Do you have a fever too?
No, I don't think so, but my throat hurts a bit as well.
Okay. It might be because of the change of seasons.
Could be. I'm working on the computer a lot these days.
Eye strain often causes bad headaches.
Yes, that's true. What do you recommend to relieve the pain?
I suggest paracetamol. It's very effective for that.
Okay, how many times a day should I take it?
Take 1 tablet with a large glass of water every 6 hours.
Great. And should I take it before, during, or after meals?
Whichever you prefer. It doesn't matter for this medicine.
Perfect. Do you also have any throat lozenges?
Yes, of course. We have honey and lemon lozenges.
I love honey. That's going to make me feel much better.
They're very soothing and they calm irritation quickly.
Awesome. I'll take a box of those lozenges then.
Very well. Do you need anything else, like tissues?
No, thank you. I already have a good stock of tissues at home.
Perfect. So we have the paracetamol and the honey lozenges.
How much is it in total for these 2 items, please?
That will be €8.50, sir.
I'll pay in cash. Here is a €10 note.
Thank you. And here's your change, €1.50.
Thanks a lot for your good advice and your smile.
You're welcome. Take care of yourself, get some rest, and have a nice day.
At the doctor's.
Hello, sir. Come on in, please, and take a seat.
Hello, doctor. Thank you so much for seeing me so quickly.
No problem at all. So tell me, what's wrong?
I've been feeling very tired for a few days. It's strange.
Okay. Are you sleeping well at night?
No, not really. I wake up often and I feel hot.
Ah, I see. Did you take your temperature this morning?
Yes, it was 38.5. I think I have a bit of a fever.
Yes, that is a mild fever. Do you have any other symptoms?
Yes, I'm coughing a lot and my whole body hurts.
All right, let's take a look. Move your chair a bit closer.
Okay, I'm ready. I hope it's nothing too serious.
Don't worry. Take a deep breath through your mouth, please.
Are my lungs okay, doctor?
Yes, your lungs sound perfect. Now let's check your throat.
It's a bit red, isn't it? It feels a little scratchy.
Yes, it's quite red. It's just a mild case of tonsillitis.
Oh, what a relief. I thought I had caught a bad flu.
No, don't worry, but you need to rest this week.
Got it. Will you give me some medicine to get better?
Yes, I'll write you a prescription for some syrup and vitamins.
Perfect. I'll go to the pharmacy right after our appointment.
That's a good idea. Take the syrup morning and night for 5 days.
All right. Can I go to work tomorrow morning?
I advise you to stay in bed for at least 2 days.
Okay, I'll follow your advice and rest up properly.
Perfect. Drink plenty of water and hot herbal tea. Take care.
Booking a hotel room.
Beach Hotel, hello. How can I help you?
Hello. I would like to book a room, please.
With pleasure. For what date and for how many nights?
It will be for next weekend, from Friday to Sunday.
Great. So that's 2 nights. For how many people?
It's for 2 people, for my wife and myself.
Okay. Do you prefer a double bed or 2 single beds?
A double bed will be perfect for us, please.
Noted. Would you like a room with a sea view or a garden view?
Oh, a beautiful sea view would be absolutely fantastic.
I actually have 1 room left with a sea view.
That's excellent news. What is a price per night?
This beautiful room is 80 euros a night.
That's perfect. The price fits right into my budget.
Wonderful. Would you like to have breakfast?
Yes, we love having breakfast at the hotel.
Perfect. It is served as an all-you-can-eat buffet.
Oh, amazing. My wife is going to be very happy to hear that.
Great. What name should I put the reservation under?
Under the name Martin, Martin. My first name is Thomas.
Thank you, Mr. Martin. Do you need a parking space?
Yes, that's right. We are coming by car. Is it free?
Yes, the hotel parking is completely free for guests.
That's great. That makes me feel much better about the car.
Your reservation is all set for next Friday.
Thank you so much for your help. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Mr. Martin. Have a safe trip and see you on Friday.
Inviting someone.
Hey, Chloe, do you have any plans for this weekend?
Hey, Leo. No, nothing special right now. Why?
I'm having a small party at my place Saturday night. Want to come?
Oh, what a great idea. Is it to celebrate your birthday?
No, it's just to see friends and have a good time.
That's awesome. I'd love to come. Thanks for the invitation.
Great. The party will start around 7 o'clock.
Okay, that's a good time. Will there be a lot of people?
There will be about 10 of us, just our group of friends.
Perfect. I love small, chill gatherings.
Yes, it's easier to talk and have a laugh together.
True. What can I bring for the party?
If you want, you can bring a small dessert or a drink.
I'll bake my famous chocolate cake then.
Oh, yes, your chocolate cake is absolutely delicious.
Thanks. Everyone always asks me for the secret recipe.
I can see why. It really is amazing.
Do you need any help setting up the house or with the music?
That's kind of you, but my brother is going to help me in the afternoon.
Okay, then I'll just head over directly to the party.
Do you know where my new apartment is?
No, not at all. Which neighborhood did you move to?
I live near the big park now, right downtown.
Oh, that's a really nice area. Text me the address.
Yep, I'll send it to you right away with the door code.
Awesome. I can't wait. Thanks again for the invite, Leo.
Thanks for coming, Chloe. See you Saturday night.
Talking about holidays.
So, Mark, are you going on vacation soon this summer?
Yes, I'm leaving at the end of the week. I really can't wait.
How lucky. Where are you going? To the south of France?
No, I'm changing things up a bit this year. I'm going to Spain.
Oh, Spain. That's beautiful. Which city?
I'm going to spend the week in Barcelona with some friends.
Great choice. Barcelona is such a lively city.
Yes, and I love Spanish food, especially tapas.
Yum. That's delicious. Are you going to the beach too?
Of course, we're going to swim and relax in the sun.
That sounds like the perfect plan to forget about work.
Exactly. What about you? Aren't you going away this year?
Yes, but I'm leaving later, in August.
Ah, okay. Have you chosen your destination yet?
Yes, I'm going to the mountains, to the Alps.
Oh, that's very different from the beach. What are you going to do?
I'm going hiking and bike riding with my family.
That's great for getting some fresh air.
Yes, and it's less hot in the mountains than at the sea.
True, the nights are much cooler up there.
I just hope it's not going to rain during my stay.
Don't even think about that. The weather's going to be great.
You're right. Gotta stay positive. Are you flying?
No, we are taking the train. It's greener and fast.
That's a very good idea. Trains are comfortable.
Yes. Well, I have to finish packing my bags tonight.
Good luck with that, and have a wonderful vacation, Mark.
Thanks a lot. See you after the break.
Talking about your day.
Whew, what a day. I'm finally home.
Hey there, you look really tired. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine, but I've been running around since this morning.
Oh, really? Tell me what happened.
My alarm didn't go off, so I missed my bus.
Oh no, what a disaster. Were you late to the office?
Yes, right as my boss was starting the meeting.
Oh dear. Did he say something or was he nice about it?
Luckily, he just smiled, but the morning was stressful.
I can imagine the stress. What about lunch? Did you get to eat?
Yes, I just ate a quick sandwich in front of my screen.
That's not a real break. That's not good for you.
I know, but I had to finish a very important project.
Okay, and was the afternoon a bit calmer then?
Not at all. My computer crashed just before 4 o'clock.
No way! Did you lose all your work?
Luckily, no. The IT guy managed to save everything.
What a relief! You were incredibly lucky.
Yes, and how about you? Did you have a good day?
Much better than yours. I finished my big report.
Oh, great news. Is your manager happy with the result?
Yes, he congratulated me and bought me a coffee to celebrate.
That's awesome. You worked so hard on that project.
Thanks. After that, I went to do a little shopping.
Ah, so that's why you have a big smile.
Exactly. I bought a nice book for this weekend.
Perfect. Now let's forget about work and relax.
Absolutely. I'll make us a nice dinner tonight.
At the doctor's.
Hello, doctor. I have a little problem with my ankle.
Hello, sir. Come in and take a seat. What happened?
Last night, I ran to catch the bus and I slipped.
Ah, bus accidents. Did your ankle swell up?
Yes, a little bit, and it's turning blue on the side.
Okay, take off your shoes and socks, please.
There you go. Ouch. Please don't press too hard. It hurts a bit.
Don't worry, I'll be very gentle. Can you move your foot?
I can move it up a little, but not to the right.
All right. Fortunately, it's not broken. It's just a sprain.
Phew, what good news. I hate going to the hospital.
It's a mild sprain, but you still need to be careful.
Okay, will I have to use crutches to walk?
No, that's not necessary for a minor sprain like this.
Awesome. What about sports? Can I go for a run this weekend?
Oh no, absolutely not. No sports for at least 3 weeks.
3 weeks? That's so long. I'm going to get bored.
You can use the time to read books or watch movies.
True, my wife actually bought a new book yesterday.
There you go, an excellent activity. I'll prescribe some cream.
Perfect. How many times a day should I apply this cream?
Apply the cream morning and night, massaging it in very gently.
All right, should I put some ice on it too?
Yes, put some ice on it tonight to bring down the swelling.
Got it. I'll just stay quietly on the couch.
That's exactly what you need to do. Here's your prescription.
Thank you so much, doctor, for your good advice and your help.
You're welcome, sir. Rest up, take it easy, and get well soon.
Talking about sports.
Tell me, Emma, do you do any sports in your free time?
Yes, I try to. I go to the gym twice a week.
Oh, great. And what do you do there? Cycling?
I do a bit of running and some weight training. What about you?
I play football with some friends every Sunday morning.
Ah, football. That's a very intense team sport.
Yes, we run a lot, but mostly we just have a good laugh together.
That's the most important thing. Do you win your matches often?
Unfortunately, no. We're losing almost every game lately.
Oh, man. The main thing is to take part and have fun.
True. And do you go to the gym by yourself?
No, I go with my sister. It's more motivating to get moving.
I get that. It's hard to stay motivated all on your own.
Absolutely. Sometimes I just want to stay on my couch.
Oh, yes. I know that feeling well. The couch is a sport, too.
Yes, the most comfortable sport in the world.
Have you ever tried martial arts like judo?
No, never. I find it a bit too violent for me.
True, it's a specific taste. Personally, I'd love to try tennis.
Oh, tennis is great. My dad plays regularly.
It's a good way to work on your speed and reflexes.
Yes, and it's exhausting. You sweat a whole lot.
It's perfect for getting rid of stress from the weekend.
Exactly. Do you want to play a match with me sometime?
I'd love to, but watch out. I run very fast on the court.
We'll see about that. I'm gonna train hard to beat you.
Challenge accepted. Shall we buy the rackets tomorrow then?
Sounds like a plan. Get ready, because I won't go easy on you.
Making an appointment.
Chic Hair Salon, hello. What can I do for you?
Hello, I'd like to make an appointment for a haircut.
Of course. Which day of the week would you like to come in?
Do you have any openings this Thursday, please?
Thursday. Yes, we do. Do you prefer morning or afternoon?
I prefer the afternoon because I work in the morning.
Okay, I have an open slot at 2:30.
Ah, that's a bit too early for me. Do you have anything later?
Let's see. I have another opening at 4:15.
4:15. Yes, that works perfectly with my schedule.
Awesome. Is it just for a simple haircut or do you want color too?
I want a haircut, a shampoo, and a hair treatment.
Very well. Is your hair long, short, or medium length?
It's pretty long right now. I want a whole new look.
Oh, a big change. That's always an excellent idea.
Yes, I feel like a shorter style for the summer.
I completely understand. It will be perfect for the season.
True. Which hairstylist will be taking care of me on Thursday?
It will be with Thomas. He's our expert in short haircuts.
Oh, perfect. That really puts my mind at ease then.
Don't worry, you are going to look gorgeous.
Thank you. That's very kind. Do you need my last name?
Yes, please. What name should I write down for the appointment?
The name is Legrand. My first name is Emily.
Got it, Miss Legrand. You're all booked in.
Thank you so much for your kindness. See you Thursday afternoon.
Thank you. Have a great day and see you Thursday at 4:15.